guys, we're doing puppet challenge. Hello.
Skylar, tell us about all your puppets. What do you have?
A circle puppet, a square puppet, a heart, and a pineapple.
Can we see the pineapple, please?
Yes.
Oh, there it is. It's lovely. What else do you have?
I have this puppet,
What's that?
a unicorn.
A unicorn.
Yeah.
What else are there?
There's the strawberry one.
A strawberry one.
You can look at it.
I like that one.
I have a fidget toy.
A fidget toy. What's the purple one? This one.
A dinosaur puppet.
A dinosaur puppet. Out of all the puppets, which one is your favorite? Do you
This
know?
one.
Which one?
This one.
The fidget puppet. Can you show us how to play puppets?
Yes, I can.
Let's see. Cool. Can we see another one? That was so cool. This one. This is a cat puppet. You did it! Let's do the unicorn one.
No, let's do this one.
Which one? Okay, let's try this one. Cool. Show us how it spins. Can you spin it?
No.
Let's see. Oops. Come, let's see if I can do it. Spinning.
I'll do this
Spinning fidget. Okay, let's see your one. Wow, you can do it. Good job. Skylar, would you like to do a puppet challenge?
Yes.
Let's try. 1, 2, 3, go.
Done.
Done! You won me! Okay, let's try the next one.
I'll try this one.
Okay, you've got a strawberry. Wait for me. And I've got a pineapple. 1, 2, 3, go. Who's doing it? Oh no, you won again. Okay, last one.
This one.
That one is too small. Okay, let me take this one.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go.
Done.
Dad, oh no, she won me again.
I'll do the elephant.
Let's do the last one. I'll take this one.
No. I must take this. This one.
This one is so big. Okay. On your marks. Get it. Go.
Done.
Done. Oh, guys. Skylar is so good at Puppet Challenge.
I have to do this one next, Mom.
You want to do that one next?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go. I'll do the elephant.
Done.
Oh, no, guys. She keeps beating me. Let's count the puppets. How many puppets do you think you've got?
1, 2.
How many puppets do you think she's got, guys?
8.
So many, right?
11, 12, 13, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Let's have a look at all the puppets. Let's count them.
1, 2, 3,
3 fidget puppets.
and 4, and 5, and 6,
6 fidget puppets.
7,
7. How many unicorn puppets do you count?
1, 2, 3,
I found one. 4.
4,
Let's see, is there more? Are there any more unicorns, guys? No more. How many dinosaur puppets do you count? Where are they? Where are they?
1,
1, 2. Only 1. How many star puppets?
1,
And 2. What else are there?
the circle puppet.
Circle puppets. How many circle puppets do you count?
1, 2, 3.
3. Good job.